Think about the most attractive guy in your college, in your office, or maybe in your friend circle. What makes him attractive? Is it an expensive gym membership, an expensive watch, or a fancy car? Most guys in India think that in order to be attractive, they need to spend thousands of rupees on clothes or look like a Bollywood star. But let's be honest, we all have seen guys who look average, but they command the entire room the moment they walk in. Everyone wants to talk to them. Girls genuinely enjoy their company because attractiveness isn't about what's in your wallet or in your genetics. It is entirely about your behaviors. In this video, we are talking about 5 subtle behaviors that will make you instantly attractive to people around you. And trust me, number 4 is something 90% of Indian men completely ignore, but it changes everything. Let's look at a typical conversation at a local chai ki tapri or a family gathering. Everyone is waiting for their turn to speak. Before one person finishes, 3 others jump in to start sharing their own stories. We are loud, passionate, cultural, and we love to talk. But because everybody is talking, nobody feels heard. When you sit with someone, whether it's a date, a friend, or a colleague, you give them your 100% undivided attention. Put your phone face down on the table. Look them in the eyes. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Actually, listen and understand. When they finish, don't immediately start talking about yourself. Ask a follow up question. Say something like, "Oh wow, that sounds intense. What did you do next?" When you make people feel heard, their brain associates you with warmth and safety. You instantly become memorable and incredibly attractive. Behavior number 2, owning your physical space. I want you to visualize this. You are traveling in a crowded metro, a local train, bus, or maybe sitting in a crowded cafe. Look around at how most guys carry themselves. They are all slouched over their phones, dropped shoulders, looking defensive or anxious. When a man shrinks himself physically, that posture sends the signal around the room that he lacks confidence. Instantly attractive men do the opposite. They don't aggressively push people, but they comfortably claim their space. Pull your shoulders back slightly, keep the chin parallel to the floor, walk with purpose, not too fast like you're rushing, and not too slow. And here's the biggest hack of our Indian subcontinent: slow down your hand gestures and head gestures. When we get nervous or excited, we tend to move our hands and our head way too fast, which looks frantic. When you slow down your movements and speak at a steady, calm pace, it signals deep internal confidence. People automatically respect a person who feels comfortable in his own skin. Behavior number 3, the uncompromising hygiene standard. Look, we live in a region where it is hot, humid, and dusty most of the year. Sweating is natural, but letting it ruin your presence, it's a choice. You can wear the most expensive linen shirt, but if you smell like the combination of sweat and a cheap body spray, the attraction drops to zero immediately. High value attractiveness is built on the basics. The scent. Invest in a good one. Long lasting perfume that works well with your kind of weather. Spray it on your pulse points, behind your ears and your wrist. The details. Keep your nails trimmed and clean. If you have a beard, keep it lined up and groomed. Doesn't matter if you have a heavy beard or a clean shaven look. What matters is that it looks intentional, not accidental. And finally, the breath. Carry mints or mouth fresheners in your pockets, especially after eating street food or heavy lunch. When you smell clean and look sharp, people automatically would want to stand closer to you. It shows you respect yourself enough to take care of the details. Now, let's talk about behavior number 4. This is the one I told you 90% of the guys miss, but this is the ultimate test of a man's character: how you treat people who can do absolutely nothing for you. In our society, we have deep social hierarchies. It is very easy to see how a man treats his boss or a girl he likes. He will be on his best behavior. But how does he treat the waiter at a restaurant? How does he speak to the delivery guy who delivered his food in the blazing heat? If a man is sweet to his date but snaps aggressively at the waiter, his attraction score instantly plummets to a negative number. A truly attractive man treats everyone with the same exact baseline of respect, saying a simple "Bhaiya, thank you" to an auto driver or holding the door for someone walking behind you. It shows that you're secure, emotionally mature, and strong. Power is attractive, but gentle power is irresistible. Finally, behavior number 5, having an anchor or a clear direction in life. There's a huge trend right now among young folks to just drift along, spending 5 hours a day doom scrolling on Instagram, gossiping about others. Complaining and drifting is a massive turnoff. An attractive man doesn't need to have his entire life figured out, but he must have a direction. If this video gave you a perspective shift and you are someone who wants to level up your life, your grooming, your mindset every single week, hit that subscribe button and join our community now. My name is Ravi Patidar. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.